I'm new to the word credit because for a very long time I've been a cash man.
Where do you think you are from? Africa. Black.
Hey, boom. Garage talk. Let's call it garage talk. I'm not really in my garage right now, but but let's call it garage talk. Next one, the next re-up to this right here, I'm gonna be in my garage, so I'm gonna make sure if I call it garage talk, it makes sense. Cool. So look, we talking about credit, right? I get a lot of questions about credit because a lot of people don't understand what it is. I'm new to the word credit because for a very long time I've been a cash man, buy cash, buy this cash, buy that cash. I wasn't familiar to the word credit, what it is, what it can do for you, and all that kind of stuff. So a while ago, I started learning about credit and how it can benefit my life and make my life easier financially, of course, right? So Africa Black, I'm based out of Orlando, Florida. You feel me? Central Florida, Orlando, Florida. That's where I am based out of. That's where I currently live. I'm a Florida baby. You feel me? Broward County, born and raised, all that good stuff. And, you know, like, growing up in this hip-hop culture, I kind of, like, only knew about cash, you know? Because that was the way to go. That was the cool thing to do. That's what it was. So, like, my first few cars, I bought all of them cash. My house, I bought it cash. It wasn't like 500,000, so you know, I ain't big money now like that. I'm growing, but I bought everything literally cash because that's the only way I knew. Credit is basically when you're using other people's money for purchases instead of using your own money all up front. So if you have good credit, right? Check it. If you have good, I'm gonna give you a few scenarios so I can help you understand whoever's listening, right? If you have good credit and a car costs 10,000 and you ain't got the whole 10,000, you can buy that car with your credit with 1,000 down, and depending on your credit score, your payments could be lower, your interest rate could be lower. All these variables can be easier for you because your credit is good. Right? Buying a house, same way. $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 house. We don't got that kind of cash, especially me. Your credit's good, or you can get it. I was just watching on Instagram video, and the couple said they put down $7,000 for a $250,000 house. That's a $250,000 house. They put down $7,000. They split that. That ain't nothing but $350, not $350, but $3,500 a piece. That ain't nothing for a $250,000 home in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm like, okay, cool. I just purchased my property, the one I currently live in right now, and I put down way less than what it's worth or what it was going for, because my credit was good. You feel what I'm saying? And school don't teach us this. Why? I don't know. It is what it is. So it's up to us to kind of teach ourselves, you know, because if we don't, who will? They definitely ain't. You feel what I'm saying? So credit, ways to build your credit. A bunch of different ways to build your credit. A lot of it is just research, bro. A lot of it is just really getting out and doing the homework. YouTube is my favorite teacher. YouTube damn near taught me more than school itself, right? I like to use things to boost my credit, like Self. Self is very, very good. It's a system where it's like you're paying yourself almost. It's a monthly payment that you pay to yourself, and it shows the, don't quote me as well, please, but it shows the what is it, not the credit lenders, but the collections. It shows collections that you're making payments on time. I did mine monthly automatically. It's called Self, SELF, or self lender. I can put the link at the bottom. I'm not sure. I can't remember right now. But again, it basically is a system to where you're paying yourself monthly, and at the end of 12 months, whatever amount you pick, it reimburses you that money. It takes a fee, of course, because it's hitting your credit and it's making your credit go higher. Several people I done told about it, they credit score that went up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90 points. That is a big difference, because the highest you can get is an 850. I know people that went from a 650 to a 710. No cap. Real talk. Self. Check it out. It's a few more. I can't remember off my head right now. Different little programs or payment plans to where you could help boost your credit with these systems, with these programs. And really, it's all about doing your homework, doing your research, getting on Google, getting on YouTube, word of mouth, talk to people. Don't be afraid. You feel what I'm saying? Because, yo, it's money out here, man. We got to get it. This recession, a lot of people got rich off of credit, whether it be grants, loans, whatever kind of situation they may have gotten themselves into or got blessed with. I know someone got a $10,000 loan, and he used that $10,000 to start his business up. You know what I'm saying? I know another person that got $25,000. Granted, it was a loan, not a grant. But if you can get someone to front you $25,000 to start your business, and you a hustler, you're gonna flip that money, get that money back to whoever you got it from, and take the profit. You know what I'm saying? So this recession, a lot of people came up off of credit. A lot of people. A lot of them require like LLCs, or you would have to start your business or your company 2-3 years, or whatever the case is. Myself, I didn't qualify for a lot of grants because I have not owned my business for, you feel me, 2-3 years, but I'm aware of these opportunities. So if something like this was to happen again, which it will, I believe, I'm ready. You feel what I'm saying? I'm ready. I was ignorant to a lot of things, ignorant to credit. But now that I've did a lot of research, day in, day out, people, internet, friends, family, all that, I can say for sure, I'm way more knowledgeable, way more wise, way more intelligent. And I ain't playing, man. I know a lot about credit. I still need to know a lot more. I just purchased a property a few months ago, and I'm looking to purchase another one. 2021, I'm looking to purchase another one, because financial freedom is the way to go. And if I can get that with my credit, then I'm going to do that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm looking to purchase another property, another residential property, on top of the one, on top of the one I already have. You feel me? And I'm going to rent that out and create another stream of income, because you can't never get too much money, man. Money, I don't want to say it makes you happy or it's happiness or it can buy happiness, but it makes financial part of your life way easier, man. So credit, fellas, credit, ladies, get it right, man. Let's get this money. Let's do what we got to do. You feel what I'm saying? This is just another, I don't even call it episode, Garage Talk, man. Africa Black. You know, you see the merch going on right there. You see it. I'm repping it hard. And it's dark, so I'm not sure how good y'all can see me, but hopefully we can edit the video and get it right, man. Any questions about credit, man? Any things y'all can put me on, man, let me know, man. Like I said, there's some other programs I'm definitely mention. I just can't remember off the top of my head right now. The higher your credit score, I remember someone was asking me this, but the higher your credit score, the better your interest rate can be, right? So, for example, say you get a car loan, right? And the car costs $10,000 and you got $3,000. You put your $3,000 down, you need to get a loan for $7,000. If your credit score is good, 700, 750, 775, you can get that car. And you could be paying some low payments. You feel what I'm saying? You could be paying some low payments, $100, $200, $300 a month. That's good. And you getting the car you want. You feel what I'm saying? Instead of you having to go buy a used car or a car that you really, really don't want to have to settle for, use your credit, man. Use your credit to your advantage. You feel what I'm saying? Use your credit to your advantage. Make your payments on time. You know, I'm gonna talk about AUs, authorized users, in a little bit. But use credit to your advantage, man. For real, man. Africa Black, big love. We're gonna keep it going. Garage Talk. I'm not in my garage right now, but next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be in my garage talk, man. My boy Matty just pulled off, and I'm gonna go holler at him right now, man. Let's get this money, man. Big love, blessings.
Where do you think you are from? Africa. Black.